Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. So in this video, I am going to explain how to display digits in the given string. Suppose I am taking one string S is equals to something like ABC at the rate 123. Now the question is display only digits in the given string. Even though we need to display only digits, but we need to check from start to end. From here to here, we need to check. For that, I am repeating the loop for integer index starting with 0 and I less than or equals to the total length s dot length of minus 1 I plus plus is the length of minus 1 I plus plus. I equals to 0, I less than or equals to s dot length of minus 1 I plus plus. Start to end, it will repeat. Here each character, how you will get the character? S dot caret of I. First index value 0. 0th location element character we collect into one variable called ch. Suppose ch. It will store the character. Now checking that character is digit or not. For that we are using the condition. If the character is greater than or equal to 0, we know this, less than or equal to 9. Why we need to place the digits in single quotes means it is also in character format only because it is a part of the string. If it is, then printing that character. System.out.println, we are printing that character. See here, instead of using this ch, directly you can use this here and here, no problem. But first I am collecting the character into this variable, then we are printing that character. Only if it is a digit. Remaining things it will not. See, the first one will check A. First A will go and store into this ch. Is it in the range of 0 to 9? No, it will not display. Next one is a B. No. C. No. At the rate. No. Next one. Yes, 1 is within the range. It will display. 2 is within the range. It will display. 3 is within the range. It will display. This is how we can display only digits in the given string. Hope you understood. Thank you all.